everybody. Today we're starting a little mini series project. We're going to build, we're going to install one aqua basin. Now, aqua basin is a preformed plastic reservoir, and we got one right down here underneath these two spillway bowls, or basin and bowls. Now that gives us about 100 gallons of reservoir. The cool thing about these is we can flip out the tops, and I'm just gonna make a different video for each top to show you what's possible. And let me just flip it around. And here's the spot where we're gonna install it. We're gonna keep that big rock there, and we're gonna build around it. So today we dig the hole and hopefully get the aqua basin installed. We're day 2 on this little fountain sandbox project. We got some rocks dropped off, so that's the next big step. We got some plumbing going in, pump going in. I'm gonna fish a conduit in, because part way through we're gonna put in an urn, and then we're gonna trick that urn out with the best lights and a bigger pump and whatnot. So I've got to kind of run some of that stuff ahead of time all at once, which we wouldn't normally be doing on a job, but here we go.